Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve a minus b is equals to 1, a cube minus b cube is 217 and we have to find the value of a and b. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I'm considering this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So I'm going to use a very famous identity, that is a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab and in bracket a minus b. So from equation number 1 we can put the value of a minus b, 1 cube, and the value of a cube minus b cube from equation number 2, that is 217 minus 3 times ab and the value of a minus b is 1. So 1 is equals to 217 minus 3ab. This 3ab goes to other side and 1 comes to this side. So AB is equals to 216 by 3. So AB is equals to 72. I'm considering this as question number 3. Now again I'm using a very famous identity, that is a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here I'm going to add 2ab or subtract 2ab from this equation, and this remaining plus 2ab. Now it becomes a very famous identity, a minus b whole square plus I'm considering with minus sign here and plus sign here. Now this is 4ab and here a plus b whole square. Now we have the value of a minus b, that is 1 square plus 4 times of ab from equation number 3, that is 72. So the value of a plus b whole square is 1 plus 4 times 72 is 288. So a plus b whole square is 289. I'm doing square roots both sides. This is help of a square. This is square root eliminates, and 289 is the square root of 17. This is our equation number 4. As a and b belongs to positive integer, so we neglect the minus 17. So a plus b is only plus 17. Now, from equation first and fourth, we are going to add both the equation. So a minus b plus a plus b is equals to 1 plus 17. From minus b plus b is eliminated. So 2a is equals to 18. A is equals to 18 by 2. So the value of a is 9. I'm going to put this value in equation 1. A minus b is equals to 1. So 9 minus b is equals to 1. 9 minus 1 is equals to b. So b is equals to 8. The value of a is 9 and b is 8. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and be subscribed to my channel. Stay